Welcome back to the channel. The car we are exploring today is the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, the ultimate expression of luxury from Mercedes-Benz. The Maybach S-Class takes everything great about the standard S-Class and elevates it to an entirely new level of comfort, exclusivity, and refinement. Walk around. Starting with the exterior, the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class looks elegant, imposing, and incredibly refined. At the front, you'll notice the signature Maybach grille with vertical chrome slats, giving the car a distinguished and premium appearance. The LED headlights are sleek and advanced, featuring cutting-edge lighting technology. From the side, the long wheelbase immediately stands out. The extended rear section highlights its focus on passenger comfort. Chrome accents, Maybach badging, and unique wheel designs enhance its exclusivity. The two-tone paint options further elevate its luxury appeal, making it instantly recognizable. At the rear, the design is smooth and elegant, with slim LED taillights and subtle chrome detailing. Overall, the Maybach S-Class is a perfect blend of elegance and presence. Interior review. Step inside, and the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class offers one of the most luxurious cabins in the automotive world. The interior is crafted using the finest materials, including premium leather, wood, and metal finishes. The dashboard features a large central touchscreen, along with a fully digital instrument cluster. However, the real highlight is the rear seating area. Rear passengers get executive seats with full reclining capability, massage functions, heating, cooling, and even cab support. The rear cabin also includes fold-out tables, a refrigerator, and high-end entertainment screens. Ambient lighting and advanced climate control systems create a relaxing and personalized environment. The cabin is incredibly quiet, providing a serene driving experience. 0 to 100 test. The Maybach S-Class delivers smooth and powerful performance. It is available with different engine options, including a twin-turbo V8 and a V12 engine. The car can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in approximately 4.5 seconds, depending on the variant. While this is impressive, the focus is on effortless and smooth acceleration rather than aggressive speed. Driving experience. The Maybach S-Class is designed for ultimate comfort. The advanced air suspension system ensures a smooth ride, often described as a magic carpet experience. The car glides over road imperfections, making long journeys incredibly relaxing. Steering is light and precise, while the overall driving feel is calm and composed. Rear wheel steering improves maneuverability, making the large sedan easier to handle. Overall, the driving experience is focused on comfort and refinement. Range test. As a gasoline-powered luxury sedan, the Maybach S-Class offers a typical driving range for its class. Fuel efficiency is not a priority, but the large fuel tank allows for long-distance travel. The car is designed for luxury, cruising rather than efficiency. Tesla Model 3 comparison. Comparing the Maybach S-Class to the Tesla Model 3 highlights two very different philosophies. The Tesla Model 3 focuses on efficiency, technology, and affordability. The Maybach S-Class focuses on luxury, comfort, and exclusivity. While Tesla offers advanced software and electric performance, Maybach delivers unmatched comfort and craftsmanship. Price breakdown. The Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is priced between $200,000 and $250,000, depending on the configuration. Customization options can further increase the price. This positions it as one of the most exclusive luxury sedans available. Features explained. The Maybach S-Class comes with a wide range of advanced features. Twin-turbo engine, options, air suspension system, advanced driver assistance systems, rear seat entertainment system, premium sound system, ambient lighting. These features enhance comfort and convenience. Hidden features. The Maybach S-Class includes several subtle features. Ultra-quiet cabin insulation fragrance system for the interior, soft closing doors, advanced seat comfort programs. These features create a truly luxurious experience. Pros and cons. Pros. Exceptional luxury and comfort, high-quality material, smooth and powerful performance, advanced technology, exclusive design. Cons. Extremely expensive, high fuel consumption. Focus on sporty driving, expensive maintenance, ownership cost. Owning a Maybach S-Class is very expensive. Maintenance, insurance, and fuel costs are all high. However, the car offers an unmatched luxury experience. It is designed for those who prioritize comfort over cost. Reliability discussion. Mercedes-Benz has invested heavily in engineering and quality for the Maybach S-Class. The car uses advanced technology and high-quality components. Regular maintenance is essential to ensure reliability. Overall, it is built to deliver long-term performance and comfort. Why it beats Tesla. The Maybach S-Class beats the Tesla Model 3 in luxury, comfort, and craftsmanship. It offers a level of refinement that Tesla does not aim to provide. For buyers who value exclusivity, the Maybach stands out. Why not to buy? The Maybach S-Class is not for everyone. If you prioritize efficiency, electric driving, or lower costs, Tesla may be a better option. The high price and running costs make it inaccessible for most buyers. User reviews. Owners of the Maybach S-Class often praise its comfort, quietness, and luxury features. Many describe it as one of the most comfortable cars in the world. Some users mention the high cost as a drawback. Future updates. Looking ahead, Mercedes-Benz is expected to introduce more electrified versions of the Maybach lineup. Future updates may include hybrid or fully electric models. This will help the brand stay competitive in the evolving market. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is the ultimate luxury sedan. It combines advanced technology, premium materials, and exceptional comfort into one package. While it may not focus on performance or efficiency, it excels in delivering a refined and relaxing experience. For those who seek the highest level of luxury and exclusivity, the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class remains one of the finest cars in the world today. The Mercedes-Maybach S-Class also represents the future of ultra-luxury mobility, where comfort, technology, and personalization come together seamlessly. With continuous innovation from Mercedes-Benz, it sets new standards in refinement, making every journey. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, then subscribe to the channel, and with the others, we need your supports.